Welcome to Trusted Company Reviews. In this video, I'll show you how to use our Debt Consolidation Calculator to see whether combining multiple debts into one payment could help you save money, simplify your finances, or pay off debt faster. You're likely already on your Debt Calculator page. However, if not, simply go to trustedcompany.reviews.com, find the Personal Finance tab, and scroll to Financial Calculators. Once the page pops up, you'll see several of our financial calculator tools, all of which can help you make informed decisions about your money. There are links in the description below, so you can come back and try more later. Go ahead and choose the Debt Consolidation Calculator. The Debt Consolidation Calculator tool is designed to help you compare your current debts side by side with a consolidation option to see how your finances could benefit. Let's start with your existing debts. In this first section here, you'll enter each balance individually. Enter things like your credit cards, personal loans, medical bills, or any other high-interest debt that you want to include in your consolidation. For each debt, you'll enter the balance, the current interest rate you're paying, this you can find on your statement if you're unsure, and your monthly payment. To add subsequent debts, simply choose the Add Another Balance button. This will give you a clear snapshot of where your finances stand right now. Next, once your debts are entered, the calculator will show you your outstanding balance, your combined monthly payments, and how much interest you're on track to pay if nothing changes. This baseline is important because this is what you'll compare against a consolidation option. Next, scroll to the Debt Consolidation section. Here, you'll enter details for a potential consolidation loan. You'll enter details such as the new interest rate, and you can get a sense of what's available using the typical APR ranges menu just underneath that input box there. Enter your desired or expected loan term in months or years, and any estimated fees that you're aware of, if applicable, and choose your starting month. Once you've added all your outstanding debts and your loan information, click on the Calculate button. The calculator then totals everything for you, so you can see how much you owe overall, what you're currently paying each month, and then compares your current situation to the consolidation option. You'll see your new estimated monthly payment, your total interest paid over time, and how long it could take to become debt-free. One of the most helpful parts of this calculator is the side-by-side comparison. Down here you can see your monthly payment difference, your interest savings or your added cost, if that happens, and your shorter or longer payoff time. Sometimes consolidation lowers your payment, but there can be trade-offs. The calculator helps you spot these trade-offs and allows you to decide using real numbers and not theory. Finally, you can go back and adjust your rates, your terms, or your payments amount to see how small changes can make big differences. Change your inputs in a category or two and recalculate using the Calculate button once again. And that's it. Keep in mind that debt consolidation can be helpful, but it's not a one-size-fits-all. This calculator helps you understand the numbers before you decide, so you can see if it could fit your budget and your needs. More information is available at trustedcompany.reviews.com and in the links in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.